This is a short video. Hey guys, welcome back. Just hey, in the previous video you better not do this, okay, sir? Yes, sir. Oh yeah. What's so funny about 83? Or meow or Mao? Who is that making the cats, Okay, whoever it is, better stop it. Like, who are you think? A cat? Police cat? You think it's gonna police cat? How about that? If you don't take records, I'm gonna call the transport expert soon because if you're not listening, yo, chill. I'm not doing anything. Hey, they're telling lies, is it? Ow! Stop! Ow! Why you cat at me? Why is the meow at me? Guys, this is a harmful cat. A harmful cat? Oh my goodness. Hey, you two heads better stop it already. What did we do? You didn't even do a thing. Shut up, 139. 139. You better don't learn how to say. Oh, yeah. God. Oi, the meow, Mao. Stop. Beep. Hey, 661. What? They're so annoying. Can you ask them to stop? So annoying. Nod your head. I see what is this. You better no authorization videos are allowed to take out mine because I will send you to the reporting case. What? No report? Wait, what? You cannot use this video. Allowed to use this video to copy. It's not allowed. What? I want to do that. So mean. You better comply first. Comply with the rules. Oh yeah, but they keep asking me meow. 661. Yeah, okay. I will report this to my office. It's gonna send us to office? Really? Oh yeah, because you keep meow. Ow, stop meowing at me. It's hurting. Hey. H3, calm down. I'll send over that. You two, okay. 139 and 139E, you better come with me right now. No, I'm not scolding you. I'm just calm. I'm gonna talk to you first. Why you keep bullying 83? 83, you can stay there, okay? Nothing to worry about you. Just go or else. It's gonna go or else I'll tell the transport expert. You're gonna tell the transport expert about us. Okay, go. Don't waste my time, I tell you, you two. Better come means better come. Few moments later okay guys, you two over here. What? You did wrong? No, I never say you did anything. You did anything wrong. Just want to ask you, why are you keep bullying? Why are you keep meowing at 83? Why? You tell me. Oh, because we like to. 139E. What about you? And thanks 139 for the situation, but not fully sentences. I'll ask you later. Hey, but I didn't do anything. 139 was meowing at 83. You sure you didn't? You forbidden didn't? Huh? You sure you didn't? Remember about 139. If he doesn't listen, I will come and ask the transport expert. I can ask him because he treated me. Hey, 139E, I'm waiting for your answer. Can you hurry up or not? I said I wasn't doing anything, but they keep blaming me. Who? 139 lor? 139? I was 139. You better own up to me. I know, okay. 139. I know you never did anything wrong. You know you tell me that, but you don't yell, okay? Don't need to yell. I will come and ask the transport expert, okay? So chill. Why am I suddenly chill? That guy cannot stop me on it. Alright. Okay, enough. Chill. 139, I'm very disappointed with you. Better listen to me right now, What's the answer? Why did you bully 83? I know 139, I also bring 139 in case he did. Oh, I did nothing. Okay. I never say you did anything. I'm talking 139. 139, you better hurry up and learn your lesson. Oh yeah, no. Noah, you tell me this, Noah. You never did anything, is it? 139, just answer. Okay, fine. I'll tell the transport expert you never answer at all. Never say this. Tell me what's the problem. Oh, because I keep meowing at him because he's so annoying. What then? Then why must you do that? Oh, that's accident. No, you don't comply. An accident, say accident. That's wrong. Hello, 139. 139E, you better shut up, I tell you. You better stop roasting him, I tell you. Let me even learn the forbidden lessons? Oh, no. Then why are you complaining to him for what? Comply to what? Oh, I was accident. I was taking attendance. Accident and attendance. What is this? Oh, because I forgot. I'm sorry. Wait, why are you typing? Oh, just say. Who are you replying? Give me that phone now. Just take your phone lah. Keep passing the 61 for a while. See what you're typing. What you messaging? Take your phone now. I want to see your phone right now. Just go see it. Okay, bro. Chill. I want your phone now, 139. What is this? Give me. Thank you. What? You just said thank you. Thankful lah. No, I said thank you. Oh, yeah. Okay, what is this? 139, what is this? What is this? You tell me. What is this? Who is comparing who? Oh, that's my 139, you know? Oh, yes, forgot. And my bad. What? Did 61 just say my bad? Hey, it wasn't 61's fault, it was 139's fault. And 139 for purpose. Can you stop meowing at 83, Ken? Oh, yeah. Because I can take records, I will ask the transport expert. Ken? Oh, yes. Better listen. You don't tell me why. Oh yeah, okay. You sure You say one I will not take record okay? Yes, I will give you a warning first. Or chance first. Huh? What? Here's your phone. Take it back right now. Before I confiscate it. Oh. Just take it or I confiscate it. Why? Just take it. Why? Stop making him yelling lah. He's very angry already. 61 oh. Better learn how to respect people next time. Come, let's go back. Where are you going? Go back lah to 82. 83. You better learn how to you behave. Sorry. Oh, I did nothing wrong. The kid the one yelling at me. What? Hey, what's the problem? No, you did. Oh, what? Share a video? You share a video. Hey, I share a video with who? Who is that? You better don't tell lie to me. What's the problem? Shock my life, man. 661. Why are you shocking my life? Oh, because you're yelling ah. What are you doing? Oh, sorry, 83. See, I told you I never did anything. Because he yelled. What? Yell your head lah. It wasn't his fault. You someone yell. Oh yeah. Sorry, 83. I am mad. I'll scold you and say you. Okay. I surrender. I promise surrender. You better learn how to tell me what's the freeze. I'll call her the transport expert. 6 is you see, I knew it. You're not even listening. It wasn't his fault. You still want to scold him for what? Oh, sorry. You saw your head. I think you'll get out. You will know how to get out. Guys? Wait, I'm not done. Wait! You idiots better get your heads up now.